I programmed this AI bot with one mission in mind: to turn $100,000 into as much money as possible in a single day of trading. The idea of robotic trading goes back to the 1970s when the New York Stock Exchange introduced programmed trading to execute orders electronically. In the 2000s, high-frequency trading rewarded speed, so algorithms began trading in the span of microseconds instead of waiting to perform heavy analysis. Now, in the late 2010s and 2020s, machine learning and AI shift from a fixed set of rules on when to trade to an adaptive model that's trained on previous transactions and makes its own decisions based on current news articles and earnings calls. Now, I'm no expert when it comes to stocks, but I am an AI engineer. So what did I decide to do? Turn my AI into someone who is an expert. So I brainstormed the best investor that I can think of, and that is Warren Buffett. If you've been living under a rock and don't know who that is, he's the owner of the mega conglomerate portfolio company Berkshire Hathaway, and also happens to be one of the 10 richest people in the world with a net worth of $148 billion. After some searching on the web, I found that he's been posting every single one of his shareholder letters since 1977. This shares information about their financial performance, investment strategies, and their business philosophies. So I downloaded all 48 that were available and uploaded it into my Claude. And then I asked it about all of its deepest, darkest secrets about my get-rich-quick strategy. But to my disappointment, I found out that he doesn't believe in day trading because of its volatility. So I took to a new mentor, one with a little more risk and a lot more estrogen. And that happens to be no one other than legendary trader and hedge fund manager, Linda Raschke. Now, I didn't know anything about her beforehand, but I found out that she uses a strategy that's called the Holy Grail. It involves a whole bunch of technical finance mumbo jumbo with acronyms like ADX and EMA. But after some deep investigative work into the underlying strategy, I basically found out that it means to wait until a fast rising stock drops to its average value, and then you buy with a safety net placed just below it. But here's a legitimate diagram for all the real finance bros out there. So I downloaded every single PDF that I could find out there from Linda and added them to my AI. Now here comes the moment of truth. Does this AI actually invest like Linda Raschke? I compiled 10 different questions based exactly off of her investment strategy, and we'll see what percent of those that the AI actually gets right. And there we have it. With 90% correct, I felt confident to go. Now that I trained up an AI bot, I need to find a platform to invest on. And there's two criteria I need to meet for a platform. One, it needs to be accessible by AI, meaning there needs to be some way that AI can connect to it. And two, it needs to have paper trading. Because as much as I want to put in $100,000 of my own money, I'm not that rich yet. So we're going to put in $100,000 of test money. Now, I've used the platform Robinhood before, and you could even call me a bit of a pro. And the good thing is that Robinhood actually has a Claude connector, but it doesn't have a paper trading strategy, so that crosses it off the list. But by doing a bit more research, I came across this one platform called Alpaca, and this one has both a Claude connector and paper trading with $100,000. Check and check. With an AI Linda bot and an Alpaca trading account, I felt ready to go. But there was just one more thing that I needed to prepare. I saw from multiple different articles that knowing the current events that are going on is key to being effective in day trading. Luckily, I found a free market and news platform called Marketo, which can be connected to directly from AI to pull the latest news about any funds or markets. All right, now it's game day, and my strategy was simple. The market opens at 9:30 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m. I scheduled AI to run every 30 minutes and run through this workflow. First, we'll check, is the cycle even valid during that time period? Then we'll run through a news pass where we get all of the current information about stocks, see if any earnings calls were just released, and figure out if there's any that we should be excluding from our list. Then for the symbols that survived our news filter, we'll pull all of the price data about them. Then following Linda's Holy Grail strategy, we'll calculate the ADX and the EMA, using formulas that I don't know, but Claude does. Then we'll run it through the ADX filters that are applied through the Linda Raschke strategy, run some Holy Grail logic against the bucket that it fell into, and then get some more account and position information before proposing a strategy. Then the AI will propose if I should buy, sell, or hold. From there, it's up to me if I want to approve or deny. And lastly, it's going to make a log of all the information for me to check and to share with you. I turn this whole workflow into a single command that you can run within Claude Code by typing /scan Raschke. If you want to use that, then you can download it totally for free with a link in the description. 9:30 a.m. came and it was time to make the first run. During the news filter, it found out that Apple actually had an earnings call that morning, so it excluded it from the list of symbols to check. Then it ran through 6 different symbols and found that it should hold on all of them. Not really what I wanted to see, so I told it to expand the list a little bit further and reran it, in which again, it still said, even with the expanded list, to hold on all of them. 10:30 came and went, and again, it still was telling me to hold on all of them. Finally, by 11:30, it found 2 different stocks that I wanted to buy. The 2 were SPY and XLE. We bought 20 shares of SPY at $741 and then 300 shares of XLE at $59. By the time 12:30 rolled around, the AI decided to sell all of our XLE stock at a 14 cents loss per stock. So not really a good way to start. The rest of the day really didn't have much action. It just held on everything, keeping the SPY stock that we had. And by the time that the market closed at 4 p.m., we were able to turn $100,000 into a whopping $100,022.40. Crazy, I know, $22 in profit. So I know we said that we're gonna run this for just one day of trading, but honestly, I want something with a little bit more action to see what happens. So I made a couple changes to how we were assessing the stocks that we would buy and sell. And as a result, I made a new command called /scanaggressive. We're gonna take another crack with this and run it on the next day of the open market. Just like the other command, this one will also be available with the link in the description where you can download totally for free if you want to try it out. Day 2 just wrapped up and there was a lot more action this time around. We dipped our toes into some new stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Netflix, and a couple other ones as well. I'll throw a summary of what happened on the screen here, but the most important thing is what happened by the end of the day. After 2 full days of using Claude AI as my trading bot, here is the final result. After starting with $100,000, we're now sitting at a grand total of $99,195. So that second day of trading ended up taking our stocks down pretty hard. And I think it really goes to prove that with this kind of trading, you need to be patient. Taking principles that are proven to work like the Holy Grail and then trying to expand them because you're a little less patient ends up resulting in a loss of money. Because if we just look at the initial day 1 and using that strategy, it actually made us a little bit of money. So if you think about doing that over a longer period of time, I think it would actually work out. But because we wanted some more action and trying to get rich quick, we ended up here at a loss of almost $900. So I wish I had some cool news about how much money we made, but the reality is that the way that we set this up, the AI bot is not the best way to do trading. I think it could get there at some point with some specialized training on specific stocks, putting in some more investing knowledge and strategies, and then really sticking to that and seeing it all the way through instead of getting impatient and expanding the boundaries. But just because Claude AI as a day trading bot isn't the best solution right now, it's still great for so many other things in your daily work. So if you're interested in how you can set up Claude AI as an employee for yourself, then go ahead and check out this video right here.